Best stock investments using Cashapp. Hey there, want to start investing but not sure where to begin? Well, this week I've got some great tips to help you find the best stock investments using Cashapp. Also, if you haven't signed up for Cashapp yet, you can use my link down below and we'll each get $5. So let's get started with Cashapp investing. First, let's talk about how easy it is to start investing with a Cashapp. This app isn't just for sending money to friends anymore. Well, no. Cashapp has a super simple investing feature that lets you buy stocks with as little as $1. To get started, open up the app and click on the Investing tab. You'll see two options, Stocks and Bitcoin. For now, we're focusing on stocks, so go ahead and tap on Stocks. Here you can browse through popular stocks, categories, and even search for specific companies. The best part? Well, you don't need to buy a whole share. Cashapp allows you to buy fractional shares, meaning you can invest in expensive stocks like Apple or Tesla, even if you only have a few dollars. This flexibility makes it perfect for beginners who want to start small and learn as they go. Once you make your first purchase, you'll be able to monitor the stock's performance and even set up recurring investments. Cashapp makes investing simple and accessible, so you can start growing your money without feeling overwhelmed. So, how about finding the best stocks to invest in? Now that you're set up, it's time to dive into finding the best stocks to invest in using Cashapp. One of the simplest ways to get started is by exploring the most popular section within the app. This area showcases some of the most actively traded stocks, giving you insight into what other Cashapp investors are buying. It's a great starting point, but remember, popularity isn't everything. To make smarter investment choices, it's crucial to do some basic research beyond the trending stocks. Begin by exploring industries or companies that you're interested in or have some familiarity with. For example, if you're passionate about technology, you might consider investing in companies like Apple, Microsoft, or Nvidia, which are well known for their innovation and market presence. Or if you're leaning towards sustainable energy, you could check out stocks like Tesla or NextEra Energy, which are leading the way in green energy solutions. Cashapp provides built-in stock information like price fluctuations and performance over various timeframes, from daily to yearly trends. This allows you to analyze how a stock has been performing recently and over the long term, which can help you spot potential growth patterns and make more informed decisions. Ultimately, the goal is to invest in companies that align with your interests and have solid growth potential. Cashapp's user-friendly layout simplifies the process, making it easier for you to discover stocks that suit your preferences and investment goals. So, how do you diversify your portfolio? When it comes to investing, as we all know, diversity is key. Cashapp makes it easy to diversify your investments, even if you're starting small. Diversification means spreading your money across different stocks and industries. So if one stock doesn't perform well, you have others to fall back on. Let's say you're interested in tech stocks like, Apple or Amazon. You might also want to invest in a few healthcare stocks like Johnson & Johnson or Pfizer, to balance things out. Cashapp also offers access to ETFs or exchange-traded funds. These are essentially bundles of different stocks in one package, making it easy to diversify with just one purchase. But why diversify? Because it reduces risk. If all your money is tied up in one stock or one industry, a downturn could mean big losses. But with a diversified portfolio, your investment is more stable and less risky. Think of it like a safety net, spreading out your investments across different areas, helping you to weather the ups and downs of the market more effectively. Using Cashapp, you can quickly explore different sectors, try out new industries, and balance your portfolio without a lot of hassle. So, how do we take advantage of Cashapp's investment tools? Cashapp offers a variety of tools to help you make smarter investment choices. Whether you're new to investing or looking to expand your portfolio, one of the most convenient features is the ability to set up price alerts for stocks you're interested in. This way, you'll get notifications when the price of a stock changes, which is especially useful if you're waiting for a specific price before you buy, or if you want to monitor growth. Another helpful feature for beginners is the My First Stock tool. This tool provides tailored recommendations for novice investors by highlighting popular and relatively stable stocks. It's a great way to get started if you're unsure which stocks to choose, as it narrows down the options and points you towards stocks that might be more beginner friendly. For those looking to build a habit of investing, Cashapp also offers automated recurring investments. You can set up a recurring purchase to invest a set amount, say $10 in Apple or another stock of your choice, say every week. This automation helps you stay consistent and builds your portfolio over time, even if you get busy or forgetful. Finally, the Discover section allows you to explore stocks by categories like technology, healthcare, or entertainment. By tapping on a category, you can view a list of stocks within that industry, making it easy to discover new investment opportunities in areas you're passionate about. With these tools, Cashapp makes it easy to take control of your investments and make informed decisions, streamlining the process and helping you invest confidently without feeling overwhelmed. So, let's learn the basics of stock market trends. Understanding stock market trends is a fundamental skill for any investor, especially if you're using Cashapp to make your investments. A trend is simply the general direction in which a stock's price is moving, and there are two main types: upward trends and downward trends. When a stock price consistently rises over time, it's considered to be in an upward trend. Conversely, if a stock's price is falling, that's a downward trend. You can easily view these trends in Cashapp by checking out the charts provided for each stock. Pay close attention to the time frames available, as they offer insights into both short-term and long-term investments. Short-term trends often show quick fluctuations, which could result from daily market events, while long-term trends provide a bigger picture, revealing a stock's overall performance across months or even years. A popular strategy among investors is to look for stocks that show strong upward trends over the long term. This often signals steady growth, which can make these stocks seem like safer investments. However, it's crucial to remember that trends aren't guaranteed. Market conditions can change, and every investment carries some level of risk. By getting familiar with stock market trends, you'll be able to make more informed investment choices and develop a greater sense of confidence. Cashapp's intuitive charts make it easy to track and analyze these trends without the need for complicated tools or deep technical knowledge. So, invest with long-term goals in mind. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Even though Cashapp makes it easy to buy and sell stocks, the best approach is to invest with long-term goals in mind. The stock market can be unpredictable, and prices can fluctuate day by day. But over the long term, stocks generally have the potential to grow. Set some financial goals for yourself. Are you saving for retirement, a down payment on a house, or just trying to grow your wealth? Knowing your goals will help you stay focused and resist the urge to sell when prices drop. If you're new to investing, consider starting with blue chip stocks. These are shares in large, well-established companies with a history of stable performance, like, say, Coca-Cola or Microsoft. They might not offer the same rapid growth as newer companies, but they're often more reliable over the long haul. With Cashapp, you can buy fractional shares of these stable stocks and build your portfolio gradually. Long-term investing is about patience and consistency. By focusing on the future, you're more likely to see meaningful returns on your investments. So keep an eye on fees and taxes. Lastly, don't forget about fees and taxes. Cashapp has minimal fees for buying and selling stocks, but it's always good to be aware of the costs. You can check the investing section to see if any fees apply to your transactions. Also, remember that investing in stocks has tax implications. When you sell a stock and make a profit, that profit is called a capital gain, and you'll need to pay taxes on it. The tax rate depends on how long you hold the stock investments. If they're held for more than a year, they're generally taxed at a lower rate. Cashapp provides you with a 1099 form each year, which details your investment earnings and helps you file your taxes. If you're unsure about the tax implications, consider consulting with a tax professional. Staying on top of these details can help you maximize your returns and avoid any surprises come tax season. And there you have it, a guide to the best stock investments using Cashapp. Start investing today and take control of your financial future. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more investment tips. Oh, and also, if you haven't signed up for Cashapp yet, you can use my link down below and we'll each get $5. See you next time. Bye.